premise is 187. Haha! Bet you checked the channel name, huh? Bet you scrolled down and checked the channel name.
No, you'll never make a monkey out of me.
Is that BMW prick revving at the cyclist? I don't like bullies. I don't care if you're a motorcyclist. That cyclist has every right to be in the center there, picking a good angle of attack to re-enter traffic.
A few moments later.
There you go, this fucking tortoise wins the race. There's a seagull over there. It's on top of someone's car. Seagulls are amazing. Oh god, his number plate says cuck. The SE16 cuck. Oh no, that's a postcode as well. Oh no. No, no, no. I saw a one of them, I think it was a Lime e-scooter the other day, and the number plate said KKK. That's fucked. Oh my god. He's got KKK on his number plate. The Klan. And he's got a skinhead. Goddamn crickets. This guy. What's wrong with pedestrians today? That ain't good. Come on! FI light? No way. What is this? I've not seen this happen before. Am I pushing this home tonight? Why? I figured out how to get it working. Had to smack the bitch a few times. I don't know. I was willing to queue up there. Jeez, let me tell you what happened the other day. I still haven't cleaned the bike. I don't know if you can see the dirt around here. So I visited a friend, and when I was leaving my friend's place, I couldn't find my bike key anywhere. I was like looking around, checked the sofas, couldn't find it, and I was like, oh shit, did I leave it in the bike? And then I approached my bike because I was just hoping the bike was still there, but the bike was chained up. But I approached the bike, and yeah, the key was still in the ignition, but somebody had noticed that I'd left the key in the ignition, and they had piled up a load of rubbish on the front of my thing. What a legend. I'm sure it was another biker that did it. Go! Get that bird off the road. Shout out to Hippodrome for recommending the new microphone. It sounds a lot better and it's cheaper. How does that work? So I guess what I'm trying to say, you know, the moral of the story, the grandiose message I'm trying to convey to you guys is admit nothing, deny everything, and make counter accusations.